This is my 2011 iMac, and you can see that it's not running Mac OS. It's actually dual booted into Windows 11. I've been running this setup for about a few months now. At first, getting it all set up with the proper drivers was a pain. But now, after having it all cleared with the drivers, it's run pretty smoothly. Biggest problems on this is the hard drive is an old spinning hard drive, so it runs kind of slow. Takes about 2 minutes to boot up. Processor's old too. It's an old i5 second generation Intel processor. The RAM's 10 gigabytes only. So my overall feel of this is it's not too bad. I use YouTube on it. I can watch my videos on here. I'm going to show you how long it takes to load. For instance, here's one of my videos. And you can see it loads fine. It just takes a while. See, it's still loading. Still loading. There, final load after like, maybe a loaded after 5 seconds. I can fast forward. So with Windows 11, it runs pretty smooth, surprisingly, on an old 2011 is 2026 15-year-old iMac. I have Microsoft Word. I have Excel. And so it's old. It's all old stuff. It says it's not activated for some reason. Anyways, just want to show you it boots up. I can type stuff onto here. No issues. So, again, this is a really old computer. 15-year-old computer running Windows 11, even though it shouldn't. Again, I want to reiterate, this is not supported by Windows, but it's running fine. I use it to obviously surf the internet, watch YouTube, write documents, use Excel, and pretty much anything you could use. I also even use it for encoding, but it's super slow. But anyways, or decoding. That's my little short story. I've kind of wanted to upgrade to a newer computer. I've been using this for 4 months now. But it works, and I kind of want to just wait till it breaks. I bought this in 2019, so 6 years ago, 6 years ago, for $120, and so I got my money's worth. I should probably just resell it and just move on, but it's hard to get rid of technology when it works. So that's my little story about running Windows 11. Another point to make is the worst thing about Windows 11 is, even with 10 gigabytes of RAM, once it starts wanting to do a software update, it really crashes the computer. Like, it'll become very unstable, it might freeze, things might take forever to load. And so that's probably one of the biggest issues with this, is when Windows decides it wants to do a software update, it really messes everything up. So anyways, that's my little short story. Over and out.